In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Asana linked so you can streamline task and project work right inside your ChatGPT experience. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your ChatGPT account and that you have an active Asana account with access to the workspace you want to use. If you're using a company account, you may also need permission from an admin to connect third-party apps. Begin by going to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT window. Click your profile. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. A small menu will open. From that menu, select Settings. This opens the Settings panel, where you can manage your account, preferences, and integrations. Inside the Settings panel, look for the section labeled Apps. Click Apps to open the place where you manage and discover integrations. This is where you'll connect new services and see which ones are already linked. From here, choose Explore Apps or Add More. Both options lead you to the App Catalog, which is a searchable list of services that can integrate with ChatGPT. At the top of this catalog, you'll see a search field. Click into the search field and type Asana. Give it a moment to load the results. You should see the Asana listing, usually identified by the familiar logo and name. Click the Asana result, then click Connect. At this point, you'll follow any on-screen instructions to finish the connection. The exact prompts can vary, but they typically include signing into your Asana account if you aren't already, choosing the correct Asana workspace or organization, and granting the requested permissions so ChatGPT can access the right data. Read the permission details carefully so you understand what information will be shared. When everything looks good, confirm to proceed. Once the authorization finishes, that's it. You can close the catalog and return to the Apps section to see Asana listed as connected. If you ever need to review or remove the connection later, you can come back to this same place. A few quick tips in case something doesn't look right. If you don't see the Apps section, make sure your ChatGPT app is up to date and that your plan supports integrations. If the catalog search doesn't return Asana, try refreshing the page or checking back later, as availability can vary by region or organization. And if the authorization window doesn't appear, ensure your browser or desktop app allows pop-ups for this process. That's the full setup. You've connected Asana to ChatGPT, and you're ready to work more efficiently across your projects.